Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation. Okay, start. Mr. Vice Chairman, I rise to support the bill to amend the Indian Trade Unions Act of 1926. The Act of 1926 was an enabling act which only provided for the registration of trade unions and for their immunity from civil liability. It is well known that before that act came into being, trade unions were held liable for the losses suffered by industry during a strike. We in this country have not forgotten the famous case which preceded the 1926 Act. Since then, the Indian Trade Unions Act is one of the least amended acts. All that it provided was that you collect a small fee from 7 workers, fill in some forms, and get unions registered. The result has been that during the last few years there has been tremendous growth in the number of trade unions. In UP, for example, today there are more than 100 trade unions registered under the Indian Trade Unions Act. That figure exceeds by 300 the number of trade unions registered in the whole of the United Kingdom, which, as we all know, is a highly industrialized country. Sir, it is time that we took certain steps to strengthen trade unions to see that we have industrial unions representing the entire force of workers employed in particular industries rather than have mushroom growth of unions which get registered this year and disappear next year. I therefore welcome this bill which lays down that every trade union will provide that the subscription by members of the union shall not be less than 50 rupees per month per member. This, as has been said, is a part of the code of conduct agreed to by all the trade unions. We have during the last few months heard a great deal of argument about the implementation of the tripartite agreement in respect of minimum wages. This provision of rupees 50 per month per member to be collected as membership subscription is also one of the conditions of the tripartite agreement, and I am happy that the Honorable Minister has brought this bill to honor the tripartite agreement. Trade unions are supposed to provide certain services to their members. Trade unions are independent only when they do not depend on outside help. स्टॉप। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू।